Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share my subscription boxes. I love to share Temu hauls. I like to throw in some surprises here and there, some shopping sprees. So anyway, but today I am sharing, this is my Ipsy Glam Bag. And it came in not a zipper pouch this time, but it came in a satin bag, which is a light pink with a bright yellow, like a floral leaf print. It's really pretty. They said that they wanted to give July's in a bag like this so that it's great for vacation. And so that's fun. I really like the bag. So let's get to it. All right. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out of the bag is, this is, its insert name here, which is INH. And it is hair care, and this is a heat protectant. There's what it looks like. It's a heat protectant. Of course, this is a sample size, but I'm excited to try it because I like heat protectants. You know, I do curl my hair and I blow dry it, so I need things that are going to help protect my hair. So that's the first thing I got. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is, now I already took these things out of their boxes because, you guys, this is my third time filming this video. I have had problems, something going on with my cards and whatnot. Anyway, it's a long story, but I'm having to refilm several videos, and this was one of them. So this is like my third time for this one. But anyway, this right here is from Toy Factory. It's a concealer. If you've been around with me, you know I love concealers. I can never have too many. In fact, this concealer, there we go. It was in the drop shop or the add-on shop also, and I didn't really realize I was getting this, and I bought another one. So anyway, now I have two of these. But so that's that. That's my second item. The third item I'm pulling out of here is this is Trust Fund Beauty. I do like Trust Fund Beauty. At first I thought it was a mascara, a sample mascara, because that's what it looks like. And then I pulled the thing out and I'm like, no, this can't be a mascara. This actually is a brow gel, which I use brow gel, so I think I'm going to really like this. So that's my third thing. The fourth thing I'm pulling out of here is kind of cute packaging. It's hard candy. It's a lip butter, and I do like that this is a full size. Let me see if I can find a price on it. So it is valued at $13, which for a lip butter can be a little bit pricey, not too much, but so I'm happy to get that. I love getting full-size products in my bag. So that's my fourth thing. And my fifth thing is, really excited about this too, because this is also a full-size product. And I got, whoops. Well, let me show you here. It's an eyeshadow quad, and it's by Seraphine Botanicals, and Let me see if I can get this open. It's a neutral palette, but I love it. It's great for traveling, and this is valued at $34. So this is a pretty bougie little eyeshadow palette. So I love it that I got that with, and it's full size. I mean, the bag alone, what, is around 15, and this, let's see, 34 and 13, that's $47 just in these two items alone, and then I got 3 others. So this bag was a hit for me. What do you think? Did you guys get the glam bag this month, and what do you think? Let me know in the comments what you thought of this one, and what you thought of your own. Anyway, I'm pretty happy. So to be honest with you, a lot of people say the opposite of this, but I have been happy with my curator, or my whoever does my bags. I really feel like they do pay attention to my beauty survey, and I've been getting, I mean, I get like pretty good things. So if you're struggling with your beauty survey, maybe you need to go reevaluate it and make some changes, because I've done that and it has improved. So anyway, thought I would share that. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you. And I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. All those things help my channel. I'm loving what I'm doing. I'm just getting started though, and I have a long ways to go. But I enjoy it and appreciate you being here. If you go ahead and go check out my boxycharm by Ipsy, because I think I'm going to post it probably the same day I post this, so you can see them both and see what I got. I also got a lot of add-ons, and I think because I got so many, I'm going to do that in another video. I'm going to try to keep my videos a little bit shorter so they're easier to watch. But also, if you guys, if you want to shorten my video, just speed up the speed. You can still do me at 1.75 or even 2.0, and I think you can still understand me. But anyway, just thought I'd mention that. Until next time, you guys, I will see you later. Okay, friends. Bye-bye.